Okay, we have a question right back by the, yeah.
Hi, my name is Michael Tarazi. I'm with CGAP at the World Bank. I enjoyed the discussion on philanthrocapitalism, but I was a little bit confused because I thought it was very heavy on the philanthropy side, but very light on the capitalism side. And I thought philanthrocapitalism was doing well by doing good. We've seen a lot of profit-driven models, particularly in access to finance and microfinance, in which services are provided to the low income and poor segments of the population and also provide a profit to those who engaged in that venture. So my question is simply, what is wrong, if anything, with doing well by doing good?
Who'd like to take that? Richard, do you want to take that first?
I don't think there's anything wrong in doing well. Whereas I lost you now, and doing well by doing good. I just think you get, I get far more satisfaction from creating effectively social businesses, perhaps, than I've done in just creating normal businesses. So I don't see anything wrong at all.
Well, the same way. I mean, if somebody wants to do good by doing well, there's nothing wrong with that. So it's a question of what is your purpose. Some people prefer one goal, one purpose, like social business, for example. This is very clearly defined, that you go into social business to help people, to do things for the people, rather than do things for yourself. So if you go to the profit-maximizing business, you do things for yourself. So it's two different paths.
I mean, I just want to push you a bit on that because, I mean, one of the, I think, most exciting features that we write about in the book is this sort of embrace of the profit motive by some of the people who've traditionally gone about things in a very philanthropic way, but now actually see that something like microfinance can be taken to many millions of people more by actually creating for-profit companies that actually do try to profit maximize than doing it in the social business way that you talk about. I know you've been quite critical of that whole movement. So when do you think profit is appropriate and when not appropriate?
The point I make that my whole microcredit movement, whole microcredit was born to fight the loan sharks. So in the name of microcredit, we don't want to become loan sharks. That's the only point I make. Not to profit, not other things. You make profit, but with a reasonable limit to it. If you say it's good, you can make as much profit as you want, then what's wrong with the loan sharks? What's wrong with the payday loans? They're doing fine work. They're making money. So go and encourage them. I wouldn't encourage them. I would rather create a system in a way the payday loans disappear. They don't have to exist in this world. That's the kind of thing I would like to do. It's a question of your preference, what you want to do with yourself.